Improve your business with this great affiliate marketing advice. Perhaps there's no other genre in the history of the world that has the entrepreneurial appeal of the internet. With so many millions of people logged on at any given time, there are literally trillions of dollars exchanged via the internet on a daily basis. Being a successful affiliate marketer can ensure your slice of the pie, and these tips can help you grab a big piece. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. Become an affiliate marketer yourself. This advertises your company on many different websites, and you pay the affiliate a small fee for each sale they generate. You can keep track of these on your own if you so desire, but many companies opt for other third parties to take care of the method. If you do not have your own website to promote affiliate products on, then create one. A website is a great place to communicate with potential buyers and market affiliate products. On the website include relevant videos, useful product reviews and your contact information so that customers can get in touch. Becoming a successful marketer isn't something that happens overnight, and it's certainly not something that happens without a lot of effort. These tips are enough to give you a basic idea of how the genre works, but you still need more. Use these tips to build up your foundation in affiliate marketing, but never be afraid to branch out. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.